ng ating taga-Greenleaf Hotel, Jensen.
I don't know what happened to this, but you know, it's very creative, very innovative, and of course, there's a sign of this what we call dexterity ng kanilang float, JP. Napakaganda, of course, coming from the NG of Greenleaf Hotel.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po sa ating Greenleaf Hotel, no, ang ating mga private partners for Paskuhan sa Jensen 2025.
Yes, JP, it's good to know na ang dami tayong mga industry and private partners supporting our prestigious event, the Paskuhan sa Jensen 2025. So we're still inviting other private sectors to please participate pa sa ating mga future events, no? Kasi nga, napakaganda bignan kung lahat po tayo united dito sa General Santos City. Once again, ito po yung ating entry coming from Greenleaf Hotel. At kitang-kita, I think they are representing Japan, JP, sa kanilang float. At meron pang mga pamigay ng mga candies. Okay?